Hello. On this episode, we take you to Tapori, the new Indian restaurant in Bangkok that doesn't serve the usual Indian flair. The word Tapori in Indian, a slang meaning a drifter. Who is our chef, Rohit Sharma? He wanders through all the regions of India and brings back his favorite menu from each region. Come join us to try the variety of Indian delicacy at Tapori. Starting with mango spiced snack and Indian-inspired cocktails. Dal Pakwan from Sindhi region. Crispy flatbread, creamy yogurt, lentils, Indian spice, date chutney. It tastes just like what it looks. Spicy, tangy, and sweet. Spicy chicken liver ice cream from New Delhi. Surprisingly nice chilled liver pate with Indian spices. Wahan Mustang from Tripura, pork belly with cabbage salad. It's the least Indian dish so far. I think it has some influence from Myanmar. Another dish that doesn't look Indian at all but very familiar, sadhu from the Himachal Pradesh region. Definitely a Chinese influence. Stuffed with flavorful lentils, served with chili sesame and flaxseed chutney. Keema Gotala from Maharashtra. Minced lamb runny egg yolks with Indian spices. Served with bread. A lot to like about this one. It's very flavorful and goes well with the bread. Ula Tiatu from Kerala. Beef curry cooked with coconut milk. Served with roti. The beef is very luscious and tender. It goes well with the moist and flaky roti. So far, this is the most familiar Indian dish we had. Bajra Kishda from Rajasthan. The Indian risotto. Lentils millet infused with onion, garlic, yogurt, and ghee. Served with spice papadum. Very rich, creamy with some texture. It's a rare and unique vegetarian dish. Naga pork curry and singju from Nagaland. It's a very flavorful pork belly curry and young bamboo shoots that snaps when you chew on it. Served with Szechuan pepper rice. I don't feel this is Indian at all. It qualifies as a Thai dish, but a very good one. For dessert, we tried the Ninami Kheer from Uttar Pradesh. Very rich flavors and looks like it's made out of many ingredients, but the chef told us only 2. We can only guess one ingredient, which was milk. Chef Rohit hint it was a common ingredient in all the world cuisine, which is garlic. Can you believe that? Garlic in a dessert? Last but not least, milk tea with bread and butter ice cream. Bun muska from Parsi. Very rich, creamy, buttery, and caramel with a nice crunch from the bread crumble. And the hot tea really complements it really well. Tapori is a very unique restaurant. Dining here is like a journey through time and regions of India, and how culture from neighboring countries blend to satisfy one common interest, food.